5 Best Mop for Engineered Hardwood Floors Review. Number 1. Turbo Microfiber Mop for Engineered Hardwood Floor. Turbo Microfiber Mop is one of the best mop for engineered hardwood floors you will find in the market. It offers flexibility, comfort, and convenience when cleaning. You have a longer microfiber mop system along with a strong metal head for extended reach. Besides, this metal head is 360 degrees rotatable. The pads are made of microfiber and washable. You can wash it more than 100 times. Removing the pads is easier with its easy-to-use design. Since it is reusable, it is environment-friendly and money-saving at the same time. You have a dry mode for dust cleaning or sweep, where its wet mode enables mopping and scrubbing your floor. Its handle is made of durable aluminum for less weight and more flexibility. You can adjust the handle as well. Number 2. Swiffer Sweeper Dry Mop for All-Purpose Floor. If you are after a simple yet effective cleaning mop for the light cleaning of your floor, then the Swiffer Sweeper Dry Mop can be a good choice. It comes with deep textured ridges that easily trap dust. Also, it catches pet hair from the floor as well. You have the thick dry cloths adjust with any floor type and clean effectively. Also, it conforms to the group line too. It is designed with lightweight materials for comfortable cleaning. Its small size along with a comfortable handle makes it even more comfortable. Besides, the construction is good enough and durable for lightweight cleaning. Its pads are not designed for reuse to prevent any allergies and dust mine from the floor. With its deep texture ridges and adjustable thick dry clothes, you can easily clean the floor no matter what your floor type is. Number 3. Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. If you are in need of a mop with which you can clean a large area easily, then the Bona Hardwood Floor Premium will be a good choice. It comes with an extra large mop head for cleaning up to 40% faster than others. A full-size 34 ounces floor cleaner is there for easy cleaning. You have an easily refillable cartridge to use the solution. Also, a spray function is there too to spray the solution on the floor. The microfiber cleaning pad is machine washable to use for a long time. You will have a secondary grip for added comfort. Its comfortable design features flexible rubber corners to not harming your furniture. Besides, its retractable hook allows you to store it easily. With this mop, you can easily clean all types of floors without any hassle. Number 4. Temple's Pride Professional Microfiber Mop for Hardwood, Tile, Laminate, Stone Floors. When you need an easy-to-use professional type mop, you need to consider the Temple's Pride Professional Microfiber Mop. It offers easy cleaning with its microfiber pads that are easy to remove and attach. Also, those pads are easy to clean with wash and don't shrink easily. Among those 3 pads, 1 is for dry floor and 2 for water cleaning. You have 18-inch mop head for fast cleaning. The mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its handle is made of aluminum for added durability. Besides, you can extend the handle to reach far away without moving. With this mop, you can clean any floor without leaving any scratch. It has an extended handle with a large head for easy cleaning a large area. Number 5. Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro Vacuum Mop. If you have pets in your house and your floor is full of hair, then you should consider a vacuum mop like Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro Vacuum Mop. It comes with a multi-surface pet brush roll for cleaning different surfaces. With its tow tank facility, you can clean with clean water and leave the dirty water inside the other tank. You have a tangle-free brush roll to remove pet hair from the floor. It features a pet formula to remove pet odor from the floor. A pet hair strainer is there to separate pet hair and other dirt easily. You get a large power cord to reach long from the outlet easily. The water tank size is 28 ounces and the dirt one is 14.5 ounces for long time cleaning. So overall, if you are leaving with pets and your floor is full of pet hair, this one may work perfectly with its tangle-free brush roll. You have a solution to remove the pet odor from the floor as well.